Okay, if your Zippo's not sparking, it could be caused by a couple problems. If you look right there where the wheel meets the little gold, copper, silver thing in there, the very tip of that is the flint, and that's what makes the spark. So if your flint's not working, it could be caused by a number of problems. Could need a new flint. Could be jams, the wheel. So what you do is you take this open, and then you unscrew this, and that's the actual flint right there. And this one's got a lot of life left on it, so if you're putting a new one in, you just drop it in, and then you take the spring thing, push it back in, make sure it's in tight, then you put it back in your Zippo, and try it out, see if it works, and you're good.